Production of the corner radius quick jig is in full swing, as the milling operation continues to machine each tool out of solid blocks of aluminum. First, the raw blocks are secured into one of our finely tuned CNC milling machines. The operator then dials in a program that machines the jigs individually, focusing the milling operation on quality rather than quantity. The cycle is complete after 20 minutes, and the freshly milled jigs are cleaned and hand inspected by the machinist. After being milled, the jigs are checked for accuracy with our state-of-the-art video optic system. Here we make sure that the radiuses were precisely milled to exacting tolerances. Stay tuned for the next update as milling continues on the corner radius quick jigs, and they move on to be anodized, laser engraved, and packaged.